Ambrose of Milan, de Mysteriis, Episode 10. Post haec reserata tibi sunt sancta sanctorum, ingressus es regenerationis sacrarium, repete quid interdrogatus sis, recognosce quid responderis. Ambrose continues, describing what happens next in the life of the initiate, the one who has been catechized, and he is going to take the Holy Supper. After these things, post haec, they are unlocked for you, namely the Holy of Holies. So here we have the subject as a sancta, neuter plural and nominative. Here we have the verb sunt and the predicate reserata. After these events, those mentioned in the previous portion, the Holy of Holies, the Sancta Sanctorum, was unlocked for you. You entered into ingressus es, regeneration's holy place, the sacrarium. So here we have ingressus est, which is from the deponent verb ingredior. It's a third conjugation, deponent, io deponent, ingredi, like so, with the third principal part ingressus. So you entered into the sacrarium, which is a neuter singular and accusative, the sacrarium of regeneration, which of course is feminine singular and genitive, a third declension noun. And now Ambrose says, repete. So this is a second singular, present, imperative, active. So repeat, recall, what you were asked, quid interdrogatus sis. So this is a second singular, perfect, subjunctive, and passive from the first conjugation verb interrogo, interdrogare, which of course means to ask a question. So repete, remember what you were asked. Why the subjunctive? Of course, this is interdrogatio obliqua. This is indirect question. Recognosce, review or call to mind what you answered. So here we have the imperative recognosce, like repete, and we have quid responderis, which of course is a second singular perfect subjunctive and active, unlike interdrogatus sis, which was a passive. So you can see there's a great deal of parallelism in this portion of the sentence. We have imperative repete, imperative recognosce, and then we have the object quid interdrogatus sis, and that is an indirect question with the subjunctive sis, and another indirect question, this quid responderis, with a perfect subjunctive active. Here's the perfect subjunctive passive. Both of these, incidentally, are third conjugation verbs, so there's quite a bit of artistry.
If you enjoyed that little video lesson, please go ahead and subscribe for us, click the bell, and so forth. Check out the other videos on this page, leave a comment, and please be sure to check out our Patreon page as well.